Welcome to this geometry practice test video. We're going to talk about each of these problems, and I'll explain a little bit as we go along. And in case it didn't make sense just from seeing the answer, maybe a little extra explanation will help. All right, a point can be described as that which has no part. That is right in the out of the definition in the first one of the definitions in the first chapter. That's true. A line segment is not bounded. That's false. Bounded by the endpoints. A line and a line segment are the same thing. Well, that's false. A line segment is contained within a line, but they're not the same thing. An angle is a pair of rays that have the same endpoint. Yes, it is indeed. Endpoint, ray, ray. There's our angle. All right, what is the difference between a rectangle and a plane? All right, a rectangle is bounded by 4 line segments, right? So there it is. So the 4 line segments that go together make a rectangle. And the plane has no boundaries. That's the main difference, so that's what we would write. The biggest problem with this particular question, as I was telling you in class, is that people will often just say this and be done with it. If you're making a comparison, drawing a difference between two things, you got to talk about both things. Okay, so plane has no boundaries. All right, explain how the word heptagon would help someone figure out how many events are in a heptathlon. Well, I think most of you understand that you have to make some connection between the prefixes that are for the number 7. A heptagon has 7 sides. So the heptathlon has 7 events. Okay. Complete the following list. Triangle, quadrilateral, and then it ends with decagon. Well, we know this is 3-sided, this is 4-sided, this is 10-sided. So 5-sided would be a pentagon. 6-sided is a hexagon. And 7-sided. We have 2 different words for 7 sides. We talked about one of them up here. Heptagon. Also septagon. Eight-sided. Most of us know that's an octagon. And a lot of people do not know 9-sided is a nonagon. And then you're up to decagon. So there are all of your terms that you need to describe the other polygons from pentagon to nonagon, 5-sided to 9-sided. Okay, that's it for this video. Split these up so you only have to watch the sections you need to watch. So if you need any others, they're available for you. And I'll see you later. Have a geometric day.